Hey, my name is Steve Witz. We got Obi on the beat. Go by the name of Hoodie. That's Hoodie Allen. Yeah, it's Hoodie Allen. Hey, yo, let me get serious for a second right now. Hey, yo, I made myself some promises, some New Year's resolution shit. Try to have some patience in my life, but I be losing it. There's no confusing it, I kinda got so nervous. Community service, man, I still think that it's worth it, but I wanna show my younger brother just how he should live. I hope Amanda's lying, I'm too young to have a kid, what a trick. So now I'm frying up potato lockers, arrested for seduction. You say I'm Frank Sinatra. And I wanna go back to the 50s, I wanna be down, acting shifty, and we could be the talk of the town. Everybody get on the ground. And I wanna go back to the 50s, I wanna be down, acting shifty, and we could be the talk of the town. Everybody get on the ground. I wanna Hey yo, I made myself some promises, just had to acknowledge it.